Hi lovely people, together with me Dimas Yunani at Kedut Aten channel. Today I will show you how to cook paella. Paella from Spanish. Now I cook Spanish cuisine. What I need is 700 gram squid. I'm not use the jumbo one. I use the small one. Tomato sauce 150 gram. Paprika smoke. Sea salt. Rice 150 gram, paprika, 2 onion, and 4 garlic. Hi lovely people, together with me Dimas Yunani at Kedut Aten channel. Today I will show you how to cook paella. Paella, the essence Spanish cuisine. Because I don't have paella pan, I use frying pan. Let's go cook. Okay, before I chop onion, paprika, and garlic, special thanks for Teskoma as a santoku knife. Now, time to cut. Now, we cut like this. Later, we make like mince. We do like this. We chop mince. Santoku knife. Durable knife is very sharp. You can see we can chop this onion like mince. Alright, lovely. Also for the garlic, we chop mince. And we chop mince like this. The chops like this is ready. Now for the paprika we make square. Now we prepare squid like this, and we cut like this. Lovely. Now we add olive oil. Lovely. After we add sea salt, after we add squid to make fried perfect. We stir little bit before we put garlic and onion. Lovely people, we give 2 big onion and 4 garlic. We add red paprika. We stir. Lovely. Smells so nice. So delicious. After I add smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon, and after tomato sauce 150 gram, We stir it again. Lovely. This we add rice 150 gram. Lovely. And I add sauce from fish. After we stir again, lovely. Smells so good, so nice. We give little bit sea salt. Lovely. And after we put black pepper, half teaspoon. If you like more spicy, you can add more. Lovely. Paella, Spanish cuisine, so delicious. On 45 minutes, paella will be ready. Now we put parsley, fresh parsley. Lovely. And I give lemon. Smell nice. Also I add tomato. But usually if you want put mussel and shrimp, this so perfect. We close till 5 minutes. Paella, Spanish cuisine is ready. Lovely. Now we'll prepare the bake. Right, paella, Spanish cuisine is so delicious. Lovely. Paella. Salud. Lovely. It tastes real Spanish cuisine. Salam Indonesia.